Well, we're back working on our Arrma. We've got this front brace for that shock tower up front. Let's see how this thing goes. Hey, Corey here, Canadian RC guy. Welcome back to the shop, or welcome to the shop if it's your first time. We've got our Arrma GROM back on the bench. We had a comment on one of our videos with it that we should buy a brace for our front shock tower, because if it breaks, we've got to replace the whole frame to this thing. Man, that's not something we necessarily want to do. So we went on the good old Scamazon. We just got, it's a no-name. Honestly, I don't even remember the name of it. Cost us like $17 Canadian. So for my friends down in the US, that's probably like $2. No, it's probably like a $10 part down there in the US. It's just a black metal anodized kind of brace. Apparently it's going to go right on the front. Got some new hardware. You know what? Come on in here. We'll get the body off. We'll see what we've got to do together. So here's everything that it comes with. Like I said, it comes with that little metal brace. And you can see on the back it's got little divots there. And I assume that's going to be able to fill up that space there and sit right in place. And then it also comes with new, and I'm going to assume longer hardware. So that way it screws through the shocks, screws through this, and into that. So, pretty simple. We're going to take out these two screws here and these two screws here. And then we'll be able to get that plate on in behind. So I'm just going to stop for a second. Looks like we've got to take this little plate off here in the front to be able to get these screws out. Okay, so there we go. Had to change screwdrivers there. But as you can see, shocks are off. We got the bottom two screws out there. So now this piece here, I'm assuming it's going to just flip around here. Just kind of snaps in place. You'll see there's two little divot holes in the back, and there's two little divots that stick out. Holes go to the back. Just kind of clip in place there like that. And then we're going to be taking our new hardware. Oh, we don't want to do that. Taking our new hardware, putting her back in place. Pretty simple design. So we'll go ahead and get this thing buttoned up. We'll show you what it is when we're done. So there we go. Pretty simple, easy process. Just 4 screws. You can see it just fits right on. Shocks go on in place. Easy peasy. So now we're going to head out back to the track. We've been making a few changes, so I'll show you that when we get there. Give this thing a little run. I don't think it's going to make any big difference or anything like that, but at least we know we won't be worried about breaking that. So here we are at the back track. We're going to take you for a little wander, kind of show you the changes we've made. So we'll start here behind us, kind of go for a little walk. We've got a stretch along here, got a little jump here. We'll work on our jumps, don't worry. This is something just a little quick to get us started. And we're going to run our way up along through here. A nice sharp corner here. Come back along through here. A little bump here. Work our way up. Got a little corner going around through here. Come back out through here. Work our way back around. We got a nice big corner here. We're going to come down and around, and then a quick another little corner here. Back up and up and top over here and back around and down the back stretch where we've got one jump so far that we got worked in. We'll have to figure out if we're going to do a landing, that kind of stuff. But for now, something to run on. Track's not graded or anything. But you know what? And then we'll come back along through here and back to where we begun. So it's a nice, good track so far. Still got to figure out something for edging. Got to work on this corner down here. We're going to bank it up. This is where we're going to be starting our crawler course down in here. But we'll get it banked up and curved into that corner, things like that. But as for right now, I think this is a pretty good layout. A little more technical, a little bit better for racing when we get started with that this summer. So now, let's get to some driving. All right, let's try out this new layout. Oh, a little roll over there in the corner. We definitely still have lots of work to do to this track. I'm gonna figure out some sort of grading system. Oh, nosedive. Oh, tree got in the way. Well, once we get a few laps out with this thing, I think we're doing okay. And this little car, oh, right over there where we can't see, this little car is doing amazing. I really like the new layout. Can't wait to continue working on it. Oh, right off the course. We've got to figure out some way to grade this track. If you guys have any ideas, oh, right straight into the tree. Thank God for that brace, I think. That probably saved us. Yep, no damage at all. Yeah, like I said, once we get some more practice on this track, figure out some way to grade it properly. Got to get some proper jumps made. Definitely got to get a stand made for this year. Well, as you can see, we still have lots to do this track, but it's starting out pretty darn good if I don't say so myself. If you have any suggestions on what you think we should do to the track, drop them down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you guys use some sort of grader system, let us know what you use. We want to know. If you have any suggestions on what we should do to this thing, let us know. And if you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell. That way you get all the new upcoming videos. So thanks so much, and we'll see you again soon.